As you will hear, the Department of Justice is announcing the unsealing of a superseding indictment filed in the Southern District of New York against 4 defendants, including Nicolás Maduro, as well as the current head of Venezuela's Constituent Assembly, the former director of military intelligence, and a former high-ranking general for their involvement in narco-terrorism. Further, the Southern District of Florida unsealed charges this morning against the Chief Justice of the Venezuelan Supreme Court involving money laundering. The indictment of Nicolás Maduro and his co-defendants alleges a conspiracy involving an extremely violent terrorist organization known as the Revolutionary Armed Forces of Colombia, the FARC, and an effort to flood the United States with cocaine. We do expect eventually to gain custody of these defendants, and we're going to explore all options for getting custody. U.S. Attorney Berman mentioned that some of them do travel, and that may provide an opportunity. We do have the reward money out, and hopefully the Venezuelan people will see what's going on and will eventually regain control of their country. As to the Colombians, on the contrary, the Colombians have very effective military and are attempting to gain control of this contested area along the border. But the fact that the FARC dissidents are being given safe haven in Venezuela is greatly complicating that job. But the Colombians are a very good partner of the United States, and we have confidence in them. As alleged, the Maduro regime is awash in corruption and criminality. Maduro and his other defendants have betrayed the Venezuelan people and corrupted Venezuela's institutions. While the Venezuelan people suffer, this cabal lines their pockets with drug money and the proceeds of their corruption. And this has to come to an end. Well, this has been in the works for a long time, and actually, we could have gone a little bit earlier before the full brunt of the pandemic struck us. But actually, this is good timing because the people in Venezuela are suffering, and they need an effective government that really cares about the people. Obviously, this is a regime, the narco-trafficking charges allege that this is a regime that has deliberately targeted the United States and is working in concert with FARC for the purpose of trafficking in cocaine up to the United States. And so we're not acting as the world's policemen, we're acting as policemen for ourselves and people who are obligated to protect the American people.